So today we have to put flashing between the garage and the house because they touch each other and we don't want the water leaking down the wall. And after we get the flashing up, we'll screw down the last two pieces of roofing on that side of the house or that side of the garage. And then we'll see what's going to go on after that. Why am I on the roof, you ask? Well, Roy brought out his own coin and I lost the flip. Also, after installing the roof, I need to take the caulk and caulk the holes because we did move this roofing and we can't use all the same holes and we don't want it to leak through. And we're not going to buy new roofing, so we're just going to caulk the few holes that already have screw holes in them. Roy went out to get some new screws and now I'm going to screw down the roof cap. Okay, the other day we got the roofing on that side there, and because it's supposed to rain today, yeah, people are working in the background playing. Anyway, we got that on just in case it rained. As you can see, it's kind of clear, but then it's kind of cloudy out there. So anyway, the only thing we're going to do today is get the trim work all done on the garage here. So that way, yeah, here comes a plane too. So that way we can get this thing sided on another day and only work on the siding. So anyway, let's get at her. Now we're getting ready to install the rail for the door to slide on. There you go, we got the door up. The only trim we have left is the corner, and we're done for the day. Well, today we got the garage door in. Got a little bit of tar paper on. All we have to do is put the trim on there, and tomorrow, when we do that, then we can start siding and maybe finish putting tar paper along this side and get that sided. Siding is so much easier than working on everything. We finally got everything kind of done. So until next time, we'll see you later. How's that? Where's the